No, this is directed at the hateful assholes. See, we're not the same, man. People like me figure shit out. We don't complain, we don't bitch, we don't moan. We open the shit apart. We disconnect just about fucking everything. And we dismantle the shit to find out what the fuck has happened to all of the setups here. You understand? Yeah, I'm fixing my sunroof. With no instructions, no Google searches, fuck all. I'm pulling the shit apart to investigate how the fuck does it work. Little block's missing, so I gotta find it somewhere in the car. Or engineer something to then hold and lock that in place. Yeah, bro? Yeah, I gotta figure out some shit to make this work, because the plate wasn't there to start with. This is the first time I'm pulling this shit apart. Which means the motor of this thing was locking this thing in place for a long time. And that thing's been slipping for a long time, that's why I've been assisting it. Kijk waar moet het lê. The shaft must lay there, in that little indentation. That's basic engineering, you follow the other setup that you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna make something to lock this, and I also gotta make a little straw, because whoever was in here last, fucking lost it. Ja, ek het al hier oor, redig in, oral hier ingekrap al, en nie daar so nie. So, luckily we have some of these fucking sleeve casings that I can actually use, just to keep this in there, so that it doesn't fucking hit into other shit here behind there. But yeah, we don't complain, we don't bitch, we don't moan, we figure shit out. Yeah, this is factory fitted from General Motors. This is not aftermarkets. This came with this particular model vehicles. This particular Corsa Bs all had sunroofs because it was part of the package. At 1,200 built in South Africa, only for South Africa. Yeah, this is the components they used. And that's a sunroof with 500,000 kilometers on it. Yeah, that's actual kilometers, no? Everything factory on this thing. I'm about to open this bitch.